Lesson 2. Microsoft Windows. With the advent of Windows, the data managing task of the computer has become simpler. Windows works with the help of icons. The data in our computer is organized in the shape of files and folders. File. It is the basic unit of storage. A file differentiates one set of information from another in the computer. A file is a collection of information like a program, a set of data used by a program, or a user-created document. It is a collection of data that a user can restore, change, delete, save or send to an output device such as a printer or an email program. Folder. It is an object that contains multiple files. Files store data. Similar type of files get clubbed together in a location which is called folder. In order to provide a storage system for the files on your computer, Windows uses folders. Folders are like filing cabinets that are used to organize information. A folder consists of programs and files. A folder can have both files and additional folders. Folders may have several types of files such as documents, music, pictures, videos, and programs. We can copy and move files from one location to another or on another storage device like floppy disk, CD, etc. We can also create folders within folders. If you are creating and storing files in the My Documents folder, you can make a new folder within My Documents to contain the files. We can also move that folder to some other location. Files and folder option. The commonly used file and folder options are as follows. Click on My Documents icon on the desktop. My Documents window will open on the screen. It splits into 3 parts. Number 1. Horizontal tab, gray background with common menus and standard toolbar. Number 2. Vertical left, light blue background, showing a list of common operations which can be performed on files and folders. Number 3. Vertical right, white background, displays the files and folders present in My Documents folder of your computer. Tip: we can also open My Documents by clicking Start and then clicking My Documents. Viewing files and folders. Windows provides a number of ways to arrange and identify your files while viewing them. The information can be viewed in different forms as follows. Thumbnail view. The images on a folder icon are displayed in thumbnail view. It enables the users to identify quickly the contents of the folder. For example, if pictures are stored in several different folders, in thumbnail view, you can see which folder contains the pictures as per your requirement. Icons view. Icons view displays your files and folders as small icons. The file name is displayed under the icon. List view. List view displays the contents as a list of files or folder names preceded by small icons. This view is useful if your folder contains many files or you want to scan the list for a file name. In this view, you can sort your files and folders. Details view. Details view gives us detailed information about files including name, type, size, and date modified. Creating a new folder. Click Make a new folder under File and Folder task. The new folder is displayed with the default name New Folder selected. Type a name for the new folder and then press Enter key. We can also make a new folder by clicking right mouse button on a blank area in a folder window or on the desktop, pointing to New and then clicking on Folder option. Renaming a folder. Click the folder you want to rename. Under File and Folder task, click Rename this folder option. Type the new name and then press Enter key. We can change the name of a file by the same method. Select a file and click Rename this file. The names of system folders such as Documents and Settings, Windows, or System32 cannot be changed. They are required for Windows to run properly. Tip: we can also rename a file or folder by clicking right mouse button on it and then from shortcut menu clicking Rename option. Moving a file or folder. Click on the file or folder you want to move. Under File and Folder task, click on Move this file or Move this folder option. In Move Items dialog box, click on the new location for the file or folder and then click on Move button. Tip: to select a consecutive group of files, click the first file, press and hold down Shift. Now click the last file. To select files or folders in non-consecutive order, press and hold down Ctrl. Now click the items as per your choice. By dragging a file or folder to the location of your choice, you can move a file or folder. Deleting a file or folder. Click the file or folder you want to delete. Under File and Folder task, click on Delete this file or delete this folder. Tip: files or folders can also be deleted by clicking right mouse button on the file or folder and then clicking Delete button. To restore a file that you have deleted, double-click the Recycle Bin icon on your desktop, clicking right mouse button on the file you want to get back and then click Restore button. To permanently delete a file or folder, press and hold down Shift and press Delete key. The item gets permanently deleted forever and cannot be retrieved from the recycle bin. Searching a file and folder. Windows offers various ways to find files and folders. Search Companion offers the most direct way to locate a file. Use Search Companion if you are looking for common files types. You remember all or part of the name of the file or folder you want to find. You know when you last changed a file. Click on Start button and then click on Search option. The search results dialog box will appear. Click on All Files and Folders option in the Search Companion task pane on left side. Type the entire name or part of the file or folder, or type a word or phrase that is in the file. In case you know only part of the name, you can use wildcard characters to locate all files or folders that include that part in the name. Asterisk symbol and question mark are two wildcard characters commonly used in searching information. Asterisk symbol means any type and number of characters in its place. For example, L asterisk symbol dot asterisk symbol will search all files whose name has L as the first character. For example, letter dot doc, lottery, ppt, locality, text, etc. Asterisk symbol dot doc will search for all the files whose extension is doc dot word files. L asterisk symbol dot doc will search for all the files whose extension is doc and their name begins with the letter L. Dot question mark dot asterisk symbol will search all files whose name contains only one character. Example, L dot doc, L dot pps, L dot txt, etc. KIPS question mark dot doc will search for all the files whose name begin with KIPS, followed by any one character and extension is dot doc. Example, KIPS 1 dot doc, KIPS 1 dot ppt, KIPS 5 dot xls, KIPS 2 dot doc, etc. If you do not know either piece of information or want to narrow your search further, select one or more of the remaining options. In Look in text box, click the drive, folder or network you want to search in. Click When was it modified to look for files that were created or modified or between specific dates. Now click on Search button. If you get too many results or no results, try using additional search criteria to make your search more specific. Points for review. A file is a collection of information like a program, a set of data used by a program, or a user create document. A folder is an object that can contain multiple files. Folder can be compared to a filing cabinet that is used to organize information. A folder can have both files and additional folders. Windows provides a number of ways to arrange and identify your files while viewing them. The information can be viewed in different forms. Windows provides various ways to create files or folders, rename, move, copy, and delete files or folders. Windows also offers various ways to find files and folders. Search Companion offers the most direct ways to locate a file.